This video is being brought to you by Freedom Garage. So I'm installing this ceiling fan. It's a Hunter. And it doesn't have any pull chains. It only has this little remote. Got everything wired up correctly and everything, and it wouldn't start. You have to push this remote button. The remote had a little blue light on it. And nothing I did worked. I looked on troubleshooting on the internet. It said, turn the fan off, turn the breaker to it, flip this on the back, take the cover off, push this button right here and resync it. The blue light was still on and it didn't do anything. So what I ended up doing, the way I solved it, because it looked like this ceiling fan was not working at all, is, again, this had a blue light on it from the box. I flipped it over and I removed that button battery. Removed it, put it back in. As you can see, the blue light went off, but then I was able to turn it on. So I hope this helps somebody. This how-to video was brought to you by Freedom Garage. Freedom Garage is a charitable ministry that loves on God's people through cars. We specialize in oil changes and basic vehicle maintenance for single moms, widows, seminary students, retirees on fixed incomes, clergy, and missionaries. Our goal is to become a self-sustaining charity through social media by telling stories and creating how-to videos to help others. Please consider supporting us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and checking out the affiliate links in the video description. You can also follow our Instagram page at freedom_garage_KY.